Alright, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an easy and simple but tasty jackfruit burrito, jerk jackfruit burrito. First thing you want to do is start off by peeling your jackfruit. Make sure you take all the pits and seeds out of the jackfruit. And you want to shred it to where it looks like shredded meat or shredded chicken. You can do this with a knife or fork. I like to use my hands. You just want to pull it apart. And you want to make sure you rinse your jackfruit pretty good first before you start this process. And it's just real simple. Break them apart till you get them real fine. Alright, so now we're going into our bell peppers. You want to make sure you get your tri-colored bell peppers. That's your yellow, green, and red. And you want to cut these. You want to dice them. Get them not finely diced, but you want to dice them enough because we're going to put this inside of a burrito. So I like to slice mine into almost like a matchstick, and then I cut them in half from there. Of course, with all your vegetables, you want to make sure you wash them thoroughly. I like to use apple cider vinegar and a little baking soda and just give them a good rinse and wash. If you can, try to get everything organic, and with that, you still want to wash them. So here I'm just going through, cutting the bell peppers up. All right, we're gonna do the same with our green bell pepper. I like to cut along the side, so I cut the bottom open, and then I cut along the sides of it, so that way I'm not getting any other seeds in it. And now we move on to our red. We do the same thing with this one. All right, so now we got our bell peppers cut up. Now let's saute them. But first, you want to make sure you put your jerk seasoning on your jackfruit and let it sit for a while. You can get store-bought jerk seasoning, or you can make your own. I also put a recipe in the description to make your own. So now we want to saute our vegetables. I always use grapeseed oil when I'm heating. That's the best oil to cook with. And you want to use a tablespoon of minced garlic. I like a lot of minced garlic, so I don't really measure mine, but a tablespoon of starch is pretty good. All right, so we let that get nice and fragrant. All right, now we add our bell peppers in. And you want to cook these for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Just depends on how crispy you like your vegetables. If you want them more crispy, then you cook them less. If you want them a little softer, then you cook them longer. But yeah, we just put everything in there and make sure you stir it well with the minced garlic. And then we let that cook for a while. All right, so now we got our vegetables cooked. Now let's do the jackfruit that we had marinate in our jerk seasoning. And you want to cook this up. I like to cook it for maybe like 10 to 15 minutes. I like to cook it just so all the flavors can get infused in it. You don't have to cook the jackfruit long. It doesn't, burn or anything like that, but you want to make sure you cook it well, stir it in to mix those flavors in. And you can see how it looks. It gives you that pulled pork or pulled chicken texture. And the thing about jackfruit, it takes on the flavor of whatever you get it. So it's It's a pretty good alternative. All right, so now let's go ahead and get the burrito ready. You can use any vegan cheese. I'm using a tofu vegan cheese that I have here in Japan. It's a local cheese. It melts pretty good. So you want to put the cheese down first, and you want to put the jackfruit right on top of the cheese for it to help with melting it. And you can put a generous amount or however you like. And then after that, we're going to put our sauteed vegetables, our bell peppers on it. All right, so now we're doing our marinara sauce. You can do a store-bought marinara sauce, or you can make your own. But either way is fine. So now let's get ready to fold it or wrap our burrito. All right, once we got it wrapped, now let's toast it. And this will help get the tortilla shell, get it more, the burrito shell more crispier. And also will help with melt the cheese. I know that some vegan cheese are hard to melt at times, so this will help with melting the cheese. All right, now we flipped it over. It has that nice crisp on it. All right, just sit there and let it heat up on the other side, let it crisp on the other side. And there you have it, your jerk jackfruit burrito. Quick and easy and very tasty. So if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.